So let's go in and take a look at the Samsung and Apple flagship phones. So these are the not necessarily the budget phones, the J series, but the high-end phones that Samsung and or Apple have launched. So in March of 2018, the Samsung launched the Galaxy S9 at Mobile World Congress, and that is this green line way down here at the bottom. And you can see it just starting to tick up. And the just a second. The at this point, it's only at 0.1% of all smartphone traffic. But we expect the Samsung S9 to follow the same trajectory as some of its predecessors. So the Samsung S8 right now is around 2.3%, which is the about the same level that the Samsung S7, the prior version before that, has reached. So all these phones are kind of averaging right around 2.5 to 3% once they've gotten to full uh, their full growth in the market. Now this is a bit of a departure from some of the the last blockbuster phone that Samsung really had, which was the S5, which reached a peak over 6% of total smartphone market share back in October of 2015. So there's pent-up demand, and that device is still out there in the market. There's pent-up demand that is shifting to these new phones, and also in play for Apple to bid on. Now, looking at the Apple devices, the three devices were launched at the end of 2017, that being the Apple iPhone X, the Apple iPhone 8 Plus, and the Apple iPhone 8. All three of these are really kind of neck and neck. This trend right here. All three of them have around 1.7 to 1.9% of the market, and there's still an overhang of several different uh, previous device models that are out there in the market. Um, but in general, we're seeing pretty strong adoption. We anticipate that all three of these phones will continue to grow in size. Now, which one will really be the leader? It's hard to say at this point. But given the price point of the iPhone X, which is the most expensive one, it's doing quite well. It's at 1.9%, which is ahead of the two or lower price devices.